The Consumer Credit Protection Act was the first general federal consumer protection legislation. It basically was enacted as a protective mechanism for consumers. Now, over the years, it's been modified and added to include protections in other areas, namely the Truth in Lending Act, which requires a disclosure of significant credit terms to consumers, the Credit Repair Organizations Act, which pertains to credit repair organizations that provide services to individuals with debts resulting from consumer credit transactions. And it prohibits certain types of deceptive practices. The Fair Credit Reporting Reform Act, which protects individuals from false, misleading, or obsolete credit information, and the Equal Credit Opportunity Act. Now, the purpose of this is to prohibit discrimination in credit transactions.